When you walk in, there are steps. Now, I just carried some stuff in, so it's already dirty, so we're gonna ignore that. So you walk down, here's a door. So I imagine couch is gonna go there. TV stand over here. I like this little wall. Pretty much all of the rooms come with the little mini HVAC. Coming over here is the dining room area. My work desk is probably gonna go here. I might have a little room for like a small dining situation right here. There's a window. Then we come into the kitchen, which is huge. So lots of counter space and lots of cabinet space. Now I don't have a microwave. Microwave will probably go right here. There's something right here too. But lots of cabinets. We'll preface this by saying like this is not like the luxury granite counters backsplash sort of situation. This is not a luxury apartment by any means. I do love the sink. Regular little fridge and freezer. Don't have an ice maker, so we'll need to get some ice cubes. Very standard. And over here we step up into a full-size washer and dryer. Here's some little hooks right here, which I love. And then out here is the door to the shared backyard. I think it's pretty grassy. Let's go out there. Storage shed that we share. So it's a decent size. It's really not bad. Okay. Back inside. Okay. We have this closet. Now there's no shelving or anything inside of it, so I will need to get that squared away, but I'm grateful for the storage. All right, there's a few things in here already. So here's what's gonna be the master. It is a little small, but that is okay. Another one of the HVACs in there. We have mirrored closets. There I am. There is a crack here, which I will need to have them fix. And then inside, it's a little different. So there's shelving and hanging right here. And then this kind of like tapers off. So I'm not sure if I'm gonna be able to fit anything in that specific area, but that's all right. Okay, come to the bathroom. Bathroom is small. Step up to the bathroom. Here we have the toilet. Two little rods, and here's my itty bitty baby shower. Super small. Window. Then we have more lights. We have some storage. Sink or storage. And I'll probably put some shelving right here. We'll have to see. All right, now this is, we're working past that. This is gonna be my sewing room. A few windows. And then we do have like a large, not large, but decent sized closet with some space at the bottom. Thinking my sewing tables are gonna go right here and then right there. And then right here is gonna be sewing storage. It's where my mannequin's gonna go. And then this will kind of just be like maybe a little loft, nook area. Not quite sure, but yeah. Okay guys, so that is it. It's the empty apartment tour. Definitely gonna be keeping you guys posted on what I'm doing and what's happening and all of that. But right now I do need to get back to my house and start packing up the U-Haul. So much fun, can't wait. But yeah, let me know what you guys think. Bye.
She's a Mona Lisa. Everyone's lining up to see her. She's a Mona Lisa.